One of the things that you need to commonly do while you're editing videos is add in text onto your project. So to do that, over here on the left hand side, you can see that text is an option right here. So once you go around onto text, you can see that there's various text effects right here, but we're going to explore that as we progress along the course. But over here, what I'm going to do right now is add in the default text right here. So I can go around and drag it in right here or here, as you can see in the timeline, and the text actually appears right here. So I can place the text wherever I want right here. So you can see that it is a layer of its own, but it's very, very customizable. So over here, what I can do is I can go around and then let's say, for example, go around and change this out right here. Let's say, for example, I can go around and see like tutor tube right here, just like this. And you can see that the text changes out. I can go around and resize it and place it wherever I want, just like with any image right here. And I can even rotate it out right here. And there's various options that you can work with for the text that we're going to explore as we progress along. So that is how you can go around and add in a text inside of CapCut. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.